BMW right now, but it sounds so much better. Listen.
Hey,
Oh my
you
God.
fucking bury this at the sand pits? Yeah. You should have left it there buried.
Oh my God. Happy Halloween, everybody. Corvette's covered in snow. I don't think that's meant to be like that.
No. You should have seen it try to start.
Oh my God. This thing's probably so mad. This is probably the coldest and the most snowy it's ever been. Welcome to New England. Happy Halloween.
No way I'm putting a snow broom on this thing.
Poor car. You cleaned it off with your hands. I wouldn't put a snow broom on this thing either.
No way. 4 inches of snow. That's good for
4 inches of snow on Halloween Eve. Have fun trick-or-treating, kids. This is the car's Halloween costume.
Yeah.
It's an abominable snowman now.
Yeti.
It's a Yeti.
I'm gonna be an Eskimo.
Hey, I mean, the heated glass, you know, got some use. So weather mode got officially used.
Yeah, it walks the rear diff. I have more 4-wheel drive than trucks do. They have guaranteed 2-wheel drive where most trucks have like that.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe below. So today I am back working on the BMW. I just ran all the way out to my favorite parts store, D&M, and we bought 7/8 inch and 7/8 exhaust pipe to start building the BMW exhaust, and I just cut the collectors off of the headers that I bought. So basically we bought inch and 7/8. I don't have the other end of the collector, but it did go out into an inch and 7/8 pipe, but I didn't realize that the top of the headers was actually a smaller diameter, so I gotta find something to convert whatever the heck this is. I think it's 1.25 inches. I don't even know what this is. I'm gonna go find out, but I gotta find something that'll fit in here to bring it up to the inch and 7/8, because we're gonna do inch and 7/8 going the rest of the way back. What else? I got to pick up some brake line and some connecting tees. I got 1 tee here. I have the part number written on there, but I have 1 tee here. I need 2 more so that I can connect these to the master cylinder for the drift brake. I'm not going to run separated calipers. I'm trying to just do this on a budget. Oh, we are half pulling the motor today to try and get the exhaust manifolds off, so we can put these $89 headers on the BMW. What else do we have to get done today? There's a lot to get done. I have a customer coming in with a 98 5 Series BMW that I got to do a water pump on. So I'm going to be doing that in between all of this. Yeah, so I just ran to the parts store, got inch and 7/8 to do the rest of the exhaust running back, but I have to find a slip pipe to put in here so that I can convert the sizes. So I just got back from D&M. I got these adapters, so hopefully these will work. That the pipe out of the manifolds turned out to be 1 3/4. I was close. 1 3/4, and then this goes to from 1 3/4 to 1 7/8. So these will work fucking mint. Shoot, I can't swear. These will work mint. And then I got some 3/16 brake line, if I can find them. Then I got the connectors that I need to, along with, I got like 10 of these fittings. So we should have everything we need to finish the drift brake today. Unfortunately, they didn't have enough of these adapters. So what I'm gonna have to do is probably wait till Monday or Tuesday when they get them in, so that I can weld these onto the manifold. So that's not happening today. yeah, we're gonna be working on this kid's 5 Series BMW today. I think that's probably gonna be the main thing we work on. Other than getting this drift brake done, I don't think there's a whole lot else we can do without these adapters. So yeah, because we can't really start fabricating the rest of the exhaust until the manifolds are kind of in place, just in case, you know, we put the manifolds in and then everything else will kind of be off going back if we don't start from the front and work our way back, welding everything. So I don't know, we'll see how the day goes. It's freaking Halloween, there's snow on the ground. I don't know, this weekend's just a mess. This is not panning out how I thought it was going to. Should have gone to the parts store last weekend and gotten this taken care of, but you know, I've been busy. So yeah, we'll see how this weekend goes. Water pump's bad. That shouldn't move like that.
Close to stain down there.
Yeah, I don't know if I can get that. There's a huge stain down in here. If you can see it, you can kind of see it. We just got the radiator shroud out. I just wanted to show you guys the stain that we were seeing last time the car was in from the water pump. More clearly now, but it's all, there's coolant all down in here. Right here. First things first, I gotta crack the bleeders on the brakes to see if they'll come loose, because if they don't come loose, that's gonna be a problem. 9 mil. I don't even think you got in the shot. So I just tried to crack the bleeders loose and neither one of them would come loose. And I kind of just snapped one off. So I just ordered calipers, but they won't be here till Tuesday. So I have nothing to do now other than work on this kid's BMW. That's what you get for pulling 2 BMWs into the shop at the same time. Should have known better. Should have known we were gonna run into issues. So yeah, we're just gonna get the water pump done on this thing and look at a couple other problems that he's having with it. So happy Halloween. This is just, it's not gonna be a good weekend. I just know it. Like between the snow and it's Halloween and there's a black cat in the backyard this morning. Yeah, it's just gonna be a weird day. The harmonic balancer off and you can really see the coolant leak now from the water pump. See all right here, it's all coming out from underneath the water pump. Water pumps in, we just cleaned all this up, got it all clean. So like, I don't know, like this much buildup all over everything from the water pump leaking. I look like a nerd, but I'm gonna brake apart the axles right now. We gotta get the end piece off to sit inside of the knuckle and the wheel bearing so the wheel bearing holds together, and then we gotta put the other end into the front diff. We're not really sure if we can take the front diff out because I think it might seal the oil pan. So we're just gonna put the other end inside of the front diff and hold everything together. So 10:30 at night. We're gonna take a break and go get some dinner and go get some bar food. Probably come back here and work after, or pick it back up in the morning. We'll see. I'm out in the drift pig. Don't run over any curves. Yeah, we just spent so much time working on this thing. Let's not destroy it first go around. This thing's mint.
That guy just shit a brick.
He's like, what the hell? That guy behind me just almost crashed.
Seems mint.
This is awesome. We don't even need a turbo. Just a little bit of rain.
Nothing to see here.
We're not doing anything illegal. It's alive!
Alright, well I think you can get good at drifting this for a bit. And go from there.
Outgrow it and we'll see what happens. Said outgrow it and then turbo it.
I think it's got enough.
Yeah, I do too, but we're in the rain.
Yeah.
That's the only thing I'm worried about.
Well, if it's gonna be an issue, we can put more. I can put
We can just eBay turbo it. I tried doing this the other night and I could not see shit. I was like, I don't want to hit anything back here, so. I'm out in the drift pig. It worked.
I don't know if we were running out of throttle though, because that's why
I don't know
why
either.
it stopped sliding.
Is that what was going on? We're like, where were you RPM wise?
I wasn't even paying